Have a question which says that there are four charges arranged like this, and one negative charge here, and here is a dot. Okay, now let me draw this dotted line. Now the value of this charge, this negative charge, is minus 5 nc, and this one is plus 5 nc, and it is plus q, and here is a dot and the q. So the question asks us that we need to find out the value of find the value of q if the electric potential at this dot, electric potential at the point of this dot, that is V, is given 3200 volts. So we have to calculate the value of small q. How we can calculate? One more information is given. This side is 2 centimeter and this side is 4 centimeter. So this diagonal, by simple mathematics, you can say that this diagonal comes out to be 2 root 5 centimeter. Right? Now let us move forward to solve this question. Now here comes the concept. Since we know that the electric potential for a single charge is nothing but VKQ by R from some reference point, okay, and we are given this value V 3200. So put here 3200 equals to value of K is 9 into 10 raised to power 9, and the value of Q we need to find out, and R is 2 root 5, but in meter it will 2 root 5 into 10 raised to power minus 2. Now we will rearrange this equation to find out this Q. So we have 3200 multiplied by 2 root 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2 divided by 9 into 10 raised to power 9. So Q comes out to be, by solving this, we have plus 15.9 nc. This is the value of this charge Q.